Hi, today we are in yet another magical place, that is the underground city of Derinkuyu. So as we know, the region of Cappadocia was involved by different cultures in different parts of time. So the people, in order to protect themselves for security reasons, they started constructing cities under the ground. Yes, it's a whole city under the ground with hundreds of rooms which are connected by long passages. And each of these passages can actually be closed by a big boulder in order to protect themselves from the enemies. The whole city had a hidden entrance which only the people who lived in the city knew about it. So we are inside the Derinkuyu underground city. So we are in the third floor actually. So the underground city is planned in such a way that the first floor usually has a stable for the animals. So it's not just the people, the people along with their animals used to get into the underground city for security reasons. So in the first floor, there's a whole stable for the animals, along with a winery and a church. And can you imagine even a missionary school? Yeah. So in the subsequent floors, people had other rooms like their own living rooms, bedrooms, the marketplaces, and food storage areas. And places like this, as you see, it's a well, to procure water. Let's just look at the well. So this is a well of the Derinkuyu underground city from where the people used to procure water. There are also some ventilation shafts here and there. Let's look at one such ventilation shaft. So this is again another passage which is leading to different rooms of the city. And this is a ventilation shaft in there. So this particular floor also has a church within it. Let's look at the church. So this passageway leads to the worship place of the people, that is the church. So there are 3 rooms in the church for people to gather and worship. Also on the other side of this passageway is a graveyard to rest. This, my dear friends, is actually a graveyard. Inside there are the graves of the dead people of the Derinkuyu underground. Amazing, isn't it? So let me show you the plan of an underground city. This is how an underground city is usually planned, with the first floor for the animals and the winery and the church, and the subsequent floors for the other rooms of the people, like the storage area, the bedroom, the toilet bay, the bowl stone, the oven room, the chimney wall, etc. So there's the whole full-fledged city under the ground, almost 50 meters deep. And we are right now in such a magical place. Amazing, isn't it? World's biggest. And remember, Derinkuyu is the world's biggest underground city. Signing off, Gayatri and Vijay. Thank you.